your gift of just $50 or more, you will receive the prosperity cloth. Now when you get that cloth, you take it and you rub it on your purse or your pocketbook or your lottery ticket, and you take that cloth and you say, You gotta make that noise. You gotta say, And when you do that, the money will come rolling in just as sure as the diamonds on my fucking hands. Now for you sisters, always running into these men with no money, no job, these lowlifes, we have the prosperity panties. That's right, they're back, the prosperity panties. You wear these and you go to the club and you run into men with all kind of money. Give it to you. Pay your bills. That's right, the prosperity panties. For your gift of $50 or more, he'll buy your clothes, he'll pay your rent, he'll toss your salad, girl. When you get these panties, the Rev.Dwayne Waitaminute is telling you praise is prosperous at the Church of Christ Kingdom, the Cock Church. That's how you say it. The Cock Church.